Do 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 do. Hello, my name's Thomas. Thomas the Tank Engine. I'm quite an old Thomas. See, I'm quite old and quite tattered. Look at the dirt on me. You know what I need? I need a bath. Would you like to see me having a bath? Would you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you how a Thomas the Tank Engine has a bath. Now you watch what happens as I go chuggy-chug, 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 all the way to the station where they bath Thomas Tank Engines. Chuggy-chug, 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 chuggy-chug. Now the big fat controller, he orders special tape to be collected up and a special rod like that. And Thomas the Tank Engine gets taped like that with a big piece of tape. And then come the scissors and cut the tape like this. Just like that. And there's Thomas on the end of this big rod.
Hello. I'm about to have a bath. I hope it's not going to hurt. Pray for me.
Next thing that happens is the special DeWalt drill is brought along. And Thomas is lifted by a crane all the way and put into the chuck just like that. And it is tightened up. There's Thomas in the end of the drill. Isn't that exciting? Now it's important that Thomas is put on the number 1 speed because he doesn't need to go too fast. Then we have the big pool of water. Now, you have to use your imagination to see all the water in there, because this is just a trial run to make sure Thomas isn't going to be too upset. Are you upset, Thomas?
No, I'm all right. I'm quite happy up here.
Okay, and so the big drill dips down into the water. Are you still all right, Thomas?
Yes, I'm still okay.
Okay, Thomas. Now, Thomas, what's going to happen is as you go into the water, we're going to make you go round and round. Is that all right, Thomas?
Yes, I think so. But I'm a little bit nervous. But I'm not a coward. I'll be okay.
Well done, Thomas. And down Thomas is slowly led into the water. And then the big fat controller gives the command, and Thomas must be turned around like this. And into the water he goes, deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper into the water, deeper and deeper into the water. And then they add the soap. In goes the soap. And the bubbles rise up. And Thomas gets soapy and bubbly and soapy and bubbly, just like you do when you're having a bath. And then the big fat controller says, enough. And so they bring, slowly the command goes up, and Thomas is brought to the top again. But Thomas is still a bit wet from the water and the bubbles. So now what we're going to do is to spin Thomas to make all the water come off and to dry him off in the air. Are you ready, Thomas?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm ready.
Off we go then. First it goes slowly, and then it goes faster, and faster, and faster, and faster, and faster.
Oh dear, I'm getting giddy. Stop, stop, please stop. Tell him to stop. Tell the fat controller to give the command to stop. Please tell him to stop.
Suddenly the big fat controller says stop, and so they slow him down. There, oops, and one more time, and there we are at the top. The big fat controller says, are you all right, Thomas? Thomas said,
oh, I feel very giddy.
oh dear, coughed the big fat controller. I'm very sorry to hear that you're feeling giddy. You rest there a minute, Mr. Thomas. Thomas the Tank Engine, you wait there. After a few moments, when Thomas had had a chance to recover himself, the big fat controller said, it's time to lower you down to the ground. And so he gets lowered down to the ground by the big DeWalt drill. And the chuck is unscrewed, and out comes Thomas onto the ground, still attached to the big pole. And then the big scissors come, and they cut the sellotape to separate Thomas from the big rod. And the sellotape is removed. And now Thomas is free, and he's no longer connected to the big tube. Are you all right, Thomas?
Yes, I'm all right. Thomas, I'm all right now.
Do you feel cleaner? Said the big fat controller.
Oh yes, I feel so clean now.
Do you want to go back onto the track and see how clean your wheels are and how easily they go round now?
Oh yes, please, said Thomas.
Okay, said the kindly fat controller, and puts him down on the track. And off Thomas goes on the track, round and round and round and round.